She's just furious because Nina is gonna have a success on this little stage. You see, my mother is a psychological curiosity. Without a doubt, brilliant and talented. Capable of crying over a novel, of reciting all of Nekrasov's poetry by heart, of nursing the sick like the angel of heaven. But you should see what happens if anyone starts praising Deuce in front of her. No, she alone must be praised and written about, raved over. Her marvelous acting in La Dama Camilla is extolled to the skies. And since she can't get all that rubbish here in the country, she thinks we're all against her and are to blame for it all. Oh, and she's superstitious too. Yeah, she dreads the 3 burning candles and the 13th day of the month. And then she's stinky. I know for a fact that she has 70,000 rubles in the bank at Odessa. But she's ready to burst into tears if you ask her for a single penny. You see, my mother doesn't love me. And why would she? She loves life and love and gay clothes. I'm 25 years old. A sufficient reminder that she's no longer young. When I'm away, she's 32. But when I'm there, she's 43. And she hates me for it. She also knows that I despise the modern stage. She adores it. And imagines that she's doing it for the benefit of humanity and the sacred art. To me, theater is merely a vehicle of convention and prejudice. When the curtain rises on this 3-walled stage, and those mighty geniuses, those high priests of art, tell us people in the act of talking, walking, wearing their coats, and attempt to extract moral out of their insipid talk, when playwrights give us a million guises for the same old stuff, I just must run from it. Like Maupassant ran from the Eiffel Tower that was about to crush him with its vulgarity. We can't do without theater, no. But we must have it under a new form. And if we can't do that, then let us rather not have it at all. I love my mother. I love her devotedly. But I think she leads a stupid life. Sometimes plain human egoism speaks in my heart, and I can't help but think and wish that she was not a famous actress. I really think if she was an ordinary woman, I would be a happier man. What could be more foolish and intolerable than my position when I find myself the only non-entity in a room crowded by her guests, all celebrated authors and artists? I feel like they only endure me because I am her son. Personally, I am nothing. Nobody. I pulled through the 3rd year of my college by the skin of my teeth, as they say. I have neither money nor brains. And in my passport, you can read that I'm simply citizen of Kiev. So was my father, but he was a well-known actor. When those celebrities that frequent my mother's drawing room deign to notice me at all, I know that they're looking at me just to measure my insignificance. I read their thoughts, and I suffer from humiliation.